We are up to 106 residents here at the Refuge, including goats and sheep, chickens and turkeys, and 4 ducks.
Many of these animals have come from terrible backgrounds, but now can finally live in peace.
The first time I came out here, I remember just feeling so peaceful, the fresh air. I remember hearing the turkeys and the chickens in the background and frogs, and I just felt like this was home.
What I love most about the Refuge is that it provides an opportunity or provides an experience for the animals in which that they can live peacefully and not have to fear. They come here to live out their lives and experience life in a very loving way.
It's great to come out here and spend a day with the animals, helping volunteer, cleaning cages, feeding, brushing. It's a wonderful way to spend the day. These animals have personalities. They're fun to be with. They're just a real joy. I love being out here.
To get the opportunity to watch the animals heal and blossom here at the Refuge is truly a joy.
Volunteering at the Refuge makes me feel like I'm doing something really worthwhile. I feel like it's a great opportunity to give back to society and to do something that I really love.
The Refuge is life-changing for animals and for people, and none of it would be possible without your amazing support. We're so thankful to our community, and we sincerely hope that you will continue being a part of the Refuge.